Have you ever sat alone at night, staring at the ceiling, wondering why no one understands you? That moment when you realize your pain is invisible to the world? You scream inside, but outside, you smile. You bleed, but you hide the scars. Because here's the cold truth. The world doesn't care about your struggles. It only cares about what you can do. The more you explain yourself, the weaker you appear. The more you beg for attention, the more people look away. But today, that changes. Today, you learn the most powerful lesson of your life. The art of staying silent. The power of focusing on yourself. We live in a world where everyone wants to be heard, but no one wants to listen. You post your pain online, hoping for comfort, but all you get are empty likes. You share your dreams, and instead of support, you get doubt. And that's when you realize, the biggest lie we believe is that someone out there will understand us completely. The truth? No one will. Not fully. Not the way you need them to. That's why silence becomes your superpower. When you stop expecting others to understand, you free yourself from disappointment. When you stop explaining, you take back your power. Look around. The loudest people? They're often the most insecure. The ones who constantly post, brag, and seek approval. They're terrified of being alone with their thoughts. But you? You're different. You've been through pain they can't imagine. You've faced battles they'll never know. And that's why silence scares them. Because while they're busy talking, you're busy becoming. Remember, lions don't lose sleep over the opinions of sheep. And you? You're a lion learning when to roar and when to walk away. Every great thing ever created was built in silence. No speeches, no announcements, just relentless focus. While others were distracted, these people were working. While others sought applause, they sought improvement. That's your path now. No more announcing your plans. No more defending your choices. Your silence isn't emptiness. It's storage for your future success. Let them wonder why you're so quiet. Let them gossip about where you've been. By the time they figure it out, you'll be so far ahead they won't even recognize you anymore. This is where the magic happens. In the quiet. In the discipline of waking up early when no one's watching. In the courage to keep going when no one believes in you. One day, they'll look up and you'll be gone. Not because you ran away, but because you grew beyond what they could ever understand. You won't need to explain your success. It will speak for itself. So starting today, you focus, you work, you stay silent. Not because you have nothing to say, but because you understand. Words are cheap. Action is everything. Stay silent. Stay focused. Let your success make the noise. The world didn't change for you, so you changed your world. Now you see it. While they were sleeping, you were working. While they were talking, you were earning. While they were doubting, you were burning with purpose. Let this sink deep into your bones. Your silence wasn't weakness. It was war strategy. Your solitude wasn't loneliness. It was training camp. Your struggle wasn't punishment. It was forging fire. Look at you now. The same people who ignored you, they're scrambling for your attention. The ones who laughed, now they're taking notes. Because you didn't just level up, you changed the entire game. This is what happens when you focus and stay silent. They will hear you when you no longer need to speak. Now go make them wish they paid attention sooner.